Picture this, a jet black hull glistening under the Caribbean sun, mermaid tattoos on the stern, and a crowd of adults filing up the gangway with cocktails already on their minds. That is the Scarlet Lady, and she has been shaking up the cruise world since she first splashed onto the scene. She is not your grandmother's cruise ship, and honestly, she was never trying to be. Sailing under the Virgin Voyages banner, the Scarlet Lady arrived with a very clear mission. Get rid of the stuffy tuxedo dinners, ditch the kids' splash pools, and build something that feels more like a floating boutique hotel with a nightlife district attached. It is an adults-only experience aimed squarely at travelers who want a bit of edge with their sea breeze. And for cruisers tired of the same old formula, that is a very refreshing pitch. So let us break down what she really offers, from the cabins to the pools to the ports she visits. Whether a viewer is a seasoned cruise fan or someone who has always thought cruising was not their thing, there is a lot here worth talking about. The Scarlet Lady is a ship with strong opinions, and she wears them proudly. Time to see if she lives up to the hype. The staterooms on the Scarlet Lady are called cabins, and that shift in language actually tells a lot about the vibe on board. This is not a ship that leans on formal cruise tradition. Instead, the rooms feel more like something a modern city hotel would deliver, with clean lines, mood lighting, and a design sensibility that skews younger and more stylish. The overall look is dark, moody, and sleek, with plenty of red accents nodding to the ship's name. Guests can choose from several tiers, starting with interior cabins for those who plan to spend most of their time out and about. These insides tend to be compact but efficient, with smart use of storage and a bed that transforms into a couch during the day. It is a clever design choice that turns a small room into a livable space rather than just a place to sleep. Budget-minded travelers get real value out of these. Moving up, there are ocean view cabins with sea terraces, which is the ship's clever branding for balconies. These balconies are a highlight, often featuring hammocks strung across the outdoor space. Sipping coffee at sunrise while gently swaying in a hammock over the ocean is the kind of small luxury that sticks in the memory long after the trip ends. It is a signature touch that many cruisers rave about. At the top of the range sit the Rockstar and Mega Rockstar suites, which are aimed at guests who want the full spoiled treatment. These larger accommodations offer more square footage, premium amenities, and access to exclusive perks around the ship. Think priority boarding, dedicated lounge access, and a personal agent to sort out reservations and requests. For couples celebrating something big, these suites are where the ship really turns on the charm. Smart tech is baked into the experience across all cabin categories. Guests use the mobile app to control lighting, order room service, and manage bookings without needing to call anyone. It is a modern touch that fits the ship's overall identity as a tech-forward brand. And for anyone tired of fiddling with old-school hotel switches and phones, it feels genuinely refreshing. Accessible cabins are available for guests with mobility needs, designed with wider doorways and roll-in showers. Since the ship is adults only, there is no need for family-focused configurations with bunk beds or connecting rooms for kids. That keeps the layout streamlined and focused on couples, friend groups, and solo travelers. It is a targeted approach that works well for the intended crowd. Dining is where the Scarlet Lady really starts to separate herself from the pack. Instead of one giant main dining room where thousands of passengers file in on a schedule, the ship spreads its food across a collection of smaller restaurants scattered around the decks. Each one has its own concept, its own menu, and its own atmosphere. It feels much more like exploring a city's restaurant scene than dining on a cruise. Even better, the specialty restaurants are included in the fare rather than tacked on as extra-cost add-ons. That is a big deal in the cruise world, where premium dining usually means opening the wallet again and again. Here, guests can bounce between different cuisines without doing mental math on every meal. It creates a more relaxed and adventurous approach to food. The variety covers a lot of ground. Diners can find contemporary Italian with handmade pastas, Mexican-inspired dishes with bold flavors, upscale steakhouse fare, and Korean barbecue with tabletop grilling. There is also a vegetarian-forward spot that has won over even the most committed carnivores with creative plant-based cooking. Each restaurant feels genuinely thought out rather than just a themed corner of a buffet. Speaking of buffets, the Scarlet Lady famously does not have a traditional one. Instead, casual dining is handled by a marketplace-style food hall where guests can grab items from different counters. Think fresh salads, wood-fired pizzas, deli sandwiches, and comfort dishes made to order. It keeps quality higher than the typical steam tray setup and cuts down on that food coma feeling of overloading a plate. Breakfast and quick bites are handled across various casual venues, including a diner-inspired spot serving all-day breakfast classics with a twist. Late-night eats are also a thing here, which is a lifesaver after a long night out at the ship's bars. The ship clearly understands that adults on vacation keep unpredictable hours. Bar culture on the Scarlet Lady is a big part of the identity. Cocktail bars, wine bars, a champagne lounge, and even a tattoo studio doubling as a social hangout keep the drink scene lively and interesting. Mixologists take their craft seriously here, with menus that lean creative rather than just churning out the usual frozen daiquiris. It gives the ship a nightlife energy that many traditional cruises simply do not have. Themed dinners and pop-up experiences pop up throughout each sailing, ranging from immersive dining shows to intimate chef's tables. These experiences turn a meal into an event, and they are a favorite among guests who love a bit of theater with their appetizers. It is one of those touches that makes dinner conversation the next day genuinely interesting, and it keeps repeat cruisers coming back for more. Out on the pool decks, the Scarlet Lady takes a different approach than the megaship crowd. There are no towering water slides or splash zones with cartoon characters spraying kids. Instead, the pool areas feel more like a sophisticated beach club with curated music, comfortable lounging, and adult-friendly design. It is a vibe rather than a playground. The main pool areas offer plenty of space to soak, swim, and lounge without the chaos of family cruising. Sunbaths and daybeds are scattered across multiple decks, giving guests options for shade, sun, or somewhere in between. The layout encourages relaxation rather than constant activity, which is exactly what many adult travelers are looking for. It feels closer to a resort in Ibiza than a floating theme park. Whirlpools are dotted around the ship for warm soaks with an ocean view. Some are positioned in quieter corners for a calm dip, while others sit right in the middle of the action for people who want to be part of the buzz. Either way, they are a great spot for meeting fellow travelers over a drink. Cruisers frequently mention the hot tubs as one of their favorite hangouts. There is also an outdoor space at the back of the ship that has become something of a signature. It is a large open area used for events, sunset drinks, and even DJ sets in the evening. During the day it doubles as a peaceful sun deck, and at night it transforms into a party zone. That kind of flexible outdoor space is rare on cruise ships and adds real character. For guests who want a quieter escape, there are dedicated relaxation zones tucked away from the main pool crowd. These areas prioritize peace over pool splashing, with softer music and more shade. It is the kind of spot where a good book and a spiced rum go a long way. And in the middle of a busy sailing, having that option available makes a real difference. The activity lineup on the Scarlet Lady leans into what adults actually enjoy rather than trying to be everything to everyone. Fitness is a serious focus, with a well-equipped gym offering ocean views and a wide range of classes. Group workouts include everything from high-intensity training to boxing and cycling. It is a proper fitness center rather than a token treadmill room tucked into a corner. Outdoor active spaces round things out with a running track, a basketball court, and open areas for group workouts under the sun. There is something satisfying about breaking a sweat with the sea rolling by in the background. And for guests who like to work off the previous night's cocktails, it is a healthy way to reset. The ship encourages movement without demanding it. Entertainment on board takes a fresh approach compared to the usual cruise ship stage shows. Instead of tired Broadway knockoffs, the ship features immersive performances that blend theater, music, cabaret, and even a bit of the unexpected. Some shows involve audience participation, others feel more like exclusive club nights. It is edgier and more creative than what most cruisers are used to. Live music runs throughout the ship all day and into the night. Different bars and lounges host different genres, so a guest can hop from jazz to indie rock to a full-blown DJ set in a single evening. This musical variety keeps every night feeling fresh and gives the ship a real nightlife pulse. Many guests say the music scene alone is worth the ticket. There are also enrichment programs that dive into more thoughtful territory, from wellness workshops to talks and creative sessions. These give the ship a bit of intellectual depth beyond the party atmosphere. It is a nice reminder that adults only does not have to mean non-stop rowdy behavior. Some guests genuinely enjoy learning something new on vacation, and the ship makes room for that. The onboard shopping is curated with a boutique sensibility rather than the usual duty-free maze. Small, thoughtful stores stock clothing, accessories, and locally inspired items. It feels more like browsing a trendy neighborhood than dodging perfume samplers. That focus on quality over quantity fits the ship's overall style. Wellness is a genuine pillar of the Scarlet Lady experience, not just an afterthought. The spa spans multiple treatment rooms and thermal areas, giving guests plenty of space to unwind. Signature treatments include massages, facials, and body therapies with an emphasis on both relaxation and results. It is a place where guests actually book multiple visits during a single sailing. The thermal suite features saunas, steam rooms, and heated loungers, offering a full circuit of hot and cold experiences. Some guests spend entire sea days just working their way through the different chambers. It is deeply relaxing and pairs beautifully with a quiet afternoon in a robe with nothing to do. A proper cruise reset button. Yoga and meditation sessions are held regularly, often in scenic spots around the ship. Sunrise yoga on the deck with the wind and waves as a soundtrack is genuinely memorable. Guests can also book private wellness consultations for a more tailored experience. The wellness offering feels serious rather than symbolic. There is also a barbershop and salon on board for pampering that goes beyond the spa treatments. Haircuts, styling, manicures, and other grooming services fill out the pampering menu nicely. And of course, the tattoo studio deserves a mention. Getting inked at sea has become a bragging rights souvenir for many Scarlet Lady guests, and it is one of the most unique offerings in cruising. Since the Scarlet Lady is strictly for adults, there is no need to worry about kids' clubs, teen zones, or family-focused programming. That policy is not a small footnote either. It fundamentally shapes the entire onboard atmosphere. Without kids on board, the pool decks stay calm, the bars keep their cocktail hour buzz all day, and the dining rooms maintain a certain adult energy. Couples on romantic getaways, groups of friends, and solo travelers looking for adult company all benefit from this. It is a niche the ship fills confidently, and for the right traveler, it is a huge selling point. The Scarlet Lady tends to sail routes that mix beach relaxation with cultural exploration. Caribbean itineraries are her bread and butter, taking guests to a variety of sun-soaked destinations. Turquoise waters, white sand beaches, and vibrant island towns are the typical menu. It is a classic cruise region delivered with the Scarlet Lady's unique adult twist. Shore excursions cover the full range from active adventure to laid-back beach days. Guests can book snorkeling trips over coral reefs, catamaran sails to hidden coves, or guided hikes to jungle waterfalls. For those who want to eat their way through a port, food and rum tour are usually available. There is also plenty of room to just wander a colorful port town on foot with no agenda at all. Beach clubs and private beach experiences are a popular option in many stops, giving guests a curated slice of paradise without the hassle of navigating on their own. These setups usually include beach chairs, umbrellas, cocktails, and sometimes live music or water sports. It is easy island living without the guesswork, perfect for guests who want relaxation without planning. Cultural excursions dive into local history, art, and food, connecting travelers with the destination in a meaningful way. Guided walking tour through old towns, visits to markets, and rum distillery stops all deliver a stronger sense of place. Cruisers who like to actually learn about where they are visiting tend to appreciate these deeper dives. They add substance to what could otherwise be surface-level port stops. There is also often a private destination experience on Virgin Voyages itineraries, where the ship stops at an exclusive beach location. These stops are designed with the brand's aesthetic and adult vibe in mind, meaning better food, better music, and better lounging than the average cruise line beach day. It is a highlight of many itineraries and worth building the trip around. Overall, the Scarlet Lady is a bold and confident ship that knows exactly what she wants to be. She is stylish, adult, and packed with personality in a way that traditional cruise ships often are not. The included specialty dining, the hammock balconies, and the strong nightlife create a real premium experience without the constant pressure to upgrade. For the right traveler, she is a knockout. Of course, she is not perfect. Some guests miss the traditional touches of cruising, like a grand main dining room or a big splashy production show. The ship's identity is very specific, and travelers looking for a more classic cruise experience may find her a bit too trendy. It is a case of loving her fully or not quite clicking with her at all. The absence of kids is a strength for adult travelers but obviously a deal-breaker for anyone traveling with family. Some cruisers also point out that the app-driven booking system takes some getting used to, especially for guests who prefer walking up and asking a person. Once mastered, it works well, but the learning curve is real. It is a modern approach that suits some more than others. Value-wise, the Scarlet Lady tends to sit in the premium range, but the included dining, tips, and non-alcoholic drinks help balance the math. When compared honestly with other lines, once all the add-ons pile up, she often comes out competitive or even ahead. So the sticker shock at first glance is not always the full picture. Cruisers who understand the pricing model tend to walk away impressed. What really sets the Scarlet Lady apart is her unapologetic identity. She is adults-only, style-forward, and built around a philosophy that treats guests like modern travelers rather than cruise passengers. That single decision changes almost everything about the experience, and it is why she has built such a passionate following. The included specialty dining across multiple restaurants is a genuine game-changer. So is the elimination of nickel and diming for things like gratuities and basic beverages. When guests board, most of what they will actually use is already covered. That transparency builds trust and lets guests focus on enjoying themselves rather than tracking spending. The design language sets her apart visually and emotionally. Dark, moody interiors, playful accents, and a party boutique aesthetic give her a look no other ship really matches. Even guests who do not love every design choice usually admit she has serious personality. That distinctiveness is rare in cruising, where many ships blur together. And the tattoo parlor, it really deserves one more mention. Where else on the open sea can a guest walk in and walk out with fresh ink as a permanent memory of the trip? That single detail sums up what the Scarlet Lady is really about, which is doing cruising differently and having a bit of fun with it. For guests interested in hosting events on board, the Scarlet Lady offers flexible spaces that can be arranged for private gatherings, celebrations, and group experiences. Milestone birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, and group friend getaways are especially popular here. The ship's stylish design and adult-focused atmosphere make it an appealing venue for something more memorable than a typical banquet hall. Guests interested in group takeovers can work with the line to plan a tailored experience. When it comes to guest experience highlights, the Scarlet Lady scores well on the details that stick with travelers. The crew, referred to as the crew, tend to be described as warm, personable, and refreshingly relaxed. Guests often mention feeling more like they are hanging out with friendly hosts than being served by uniformed staff. That casual, human touch is a signature part of the ship's charm. Little rituals stand out too. The onboard events that mark sail away, the surprise pop-up performances that turn a hallway into a stage, and the beach club destinations that go all in on style all leave lasting impressions. Cruisers often say the trip felt more like a curated experience than a standard vacation. That is the kind of feedback most cruise lines dream of. For anyone who has been curious about cruising but never felt like the target audience, the Scarlet Lady might just be the ship that changes their mind. And for seasoned cruisers who are ready for something different, she offers a genuinely fresh take on life at sea. She is bold, she is fun, and she is unmistakably her own thing. Sailing on her is less about ticking off a cruise and more about signing up for a whole vibe.